Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Terrain. Stock number is 18G1005A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with uniroyal tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back as well. A look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.